When designing a joint, I often have engineers ask me how much torque a bolt can handle or how much torque they should use. But what we really are concerned with is not torque, it's clamp load. Welcome to Tech Talks with Bossard. I'm your host, Doug Jones. I'm an applications engineer with Bossard with 32 years of experience in the fastener industry. Designing a joint properly, we want to make sure that we have a certain amount of clamp load in that joint. Torque is just the way to get to clamp load. We can translate clamp load into torque, but we have a couple of factors that will really be relevant to that equation. One is friction and the other is tool accuracy. So in order to determine how much torque we need to create the clamp load, we need to have a pretty good idea as to how much friction is in that joint and what the accuracy of the tool is that we're using. We can calculate those values, and there is a standard VDI 2230, which is a German standard, that it tells us how to calculate that relationship. Or we can also do what we call joint analysis testing to arrive at how much clamp load goes into a joint and how much torque it takes to get there. So if you're interested in that type of testing or joint analysis, you can reach out to Bossard and we can help you with that.